is your profession?
Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2022 Jeep Gladiator that's been completely customized by South Florida Jeeps. They are a local customization shop. This one has all the bells and whistles, tobacco colored interior, the custom fender flares throughout, has a set of SFJ wheels from Fuel Racing, so these are custom made for South Florida Jeeps. They're 15.5 inches wide, rolling on a set of Toyo MT Open Countries. This has 2,200 miles on it. If you guys want to find out full details on this completely custom Gladiator, give us a call at 954-363-2261. If you want to see a full gallery and full description, click on the link below. Let's go over it. Let's start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this easily a 9.5 out of 10 because it's essentially brand new. It's 2,200 miles, custom interior. You have a custom windshield cover right here with the rigid lights throughout. So you have rigid lights, your front grumper grille, along with your top area for your windscreen. You do have the factory style hood, and then you have halo style or projector style lights with a Warn XRC winch, and then you have a license plate bracket right here. This is a remote winch inside. You still have a cable style for the winch itself. So you have a Ready Lift lift kit with Falcon shocks, so that's gonna give you a really nice ride. When you look at all the components, you still have your turn signal and side markers right here, so it's still DOT legal. You have a nice set of vents right here that are painted to match, and then Spartan, so that's the style that South Florida Jeeps creates for these type of machines. You have these beautiful vents on the side of the fender, and then you also have steps to help you get in. The interior is unbelievable, so it's a tobacco style interior. This is all leather and it looks really, really nice. The dash is matched as well, so you have that tobacco style leather on the dash, and then 2,600 miles. Upgraded navigation screen so you can control everything. You can watch, I believe, Netflix on there if you want to. To go with the larger than life appearance from the outside, you have this amazing stereo. So this is all powered by DS18. You have a set of 4 speakers up top with dual tweeters, and then Felix, lift up that back seat. You have a custom built box with Gen X subwoofers. They're ported, you have all your amps right there, and it sounds unbelievable. It sounds like a concert going down the road. Everything lights up too, so there is illumination throughout the actual lights on the roof. The rear bed is basically brand new. There's not a single scratch in it. You have these fender flares right here. We have the Spartan insignia right here, so that's the style of this truck. Open up the bed, and it's a soft open. It's extremely clean back here. Custom bumper with actual rigid lights in the rear, tow hooks. Passenger side's the same as the driver's side, no imperfections. Tires are like new, as I've said before. Side steps work, and the passenger side's very comfortable. Nice set of mats in there. Those are waterproof mats, and I love the shifter in this one. I'm gonna pop the hood right now to show you the power plant. So it's diesel powered, and we'll take it for a spin. Under the hood, you have a 3-liter diesel. All of the wiring is run through relays right here for all of your lights, and you can see it's nice and clean. Batteries right there, and you can see all the power wires running to it. Engine bay is like new. You have your sensors here. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. All right, we're inside the Jeep. The layout is super nice. You have obviously the upgraded complete interior from Jeep. You have all your controls here, so you can adjust your stereo if you wanted to. You can go to your equalizer and adjust your frequencies for all these speakers. It sounds unbelievable. Sounds great. The air conditioning's working. I mean, remember, this is a brand new car. We're not gonna test out the 4-wheel drive today because this is way too nice. Motor has plenty of power. You don't actually feel those 38 by 1550s. It's nice and smooth. I would feel comfortable driving this on the highway at full operating speeds. Suspension feels good, nice and tight. We're just gonna take it around the block and let you decide if this is what you guys wanna buy. It's nice and smooth. It has plenty of pep. It feels really nice. The transmission shifts as it should because it's new. We're going 40 miles an hour. There's no pulling from left to right, which you would normally think of with tires this wide. Brakes feel good. You actually don't feel the diameter of the tire with this engine setup. It has tons of torque. Not too much road noise actually from the tires. You do hear it a little bit, but not bad at all. All your windows work as they should, and remember, these doors are removable. You can put tube doors on it. Visibility is very nice. You do have a tinted windscreen. All the windows are tinted as well, and it's just an overall nice Jeep. If you guys are looking for a completely custom Gladiator, this is it. You can give us a call at 954-363-2261. We've got a custom stereo back here that you can see all the lights. I'm really impressed with the actual build quality from South Florida Jeeps, and if you guys are looking for one to get built, I would definitely reach out to them. This one we were able to acquire, and we're gonna give a real good deal to somebody. So you have all of these rockers right here for all your exterior lights. You can click them. I'm going over some bumps right now with no issues. Motor's peppy. I can give it some gas. You can feel the torque. I like it. I like how the transmission down shifts and it helps slow it down too. We'll drive it in the grass here and see how it feels over like a rough terrain. Oh, it's not bad at all. I like it. Hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.